Let's talk Urdu. You use so many words every day, like cap, hand, or a cat. Ever wonder what these words are called in Urdu? Like, what do you call a cat in Urdu? I can help. Let's Talk Urdu will help you learn Urdu words using English scripts that you can easily read, all in a fun way. Like cap is topi. A hand is hath. And a cat is billy. Together, we can learn more Urdu words every day. So stay tuned for more videos.